This is the first time I've ever done a tutorial, so I'm not going to know what I'm doing half the time. I've only watched a few. First, I do this thing that I seen on TikTok. It's like a different way to start your makeup, so I'm just going to show that, I guess. Moisturize first. Okay, and then I take a big fluffy brush. I don't know what the fuck it's called. RT201. And then I take like a translucent powder, put it all over my face. And then I use a finishing spray. There. Okay. So then I use my primer. I use e.l.f. Poreless Paint. After that, I use eyeshadow primer. I use Milani. I like to use primer on my eyelids just because it makes it so the color stands out. So what I use it to blend it out. I do like to do it under my eye too, because I like to wear under eye makeup, and I just want that to stand out as much as possible. So I do it around my whole entire eyelid and my under. Right, and then I apply my eyeshadow. What I'm using is this palette. I'm going to be using this green right here and this purple. So I have this large eyeshadow brush, and this is specifically for the eyelid. Got it from Target. Green first because the green is going to go in my corners. I'm using the purple on my eyelid and the green in the corners, so I have to let this up. I know. So I'm using this purple right here. I'm actually just gonna keep it away from like my corner because I'm gonna put that light green there. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that corner right there. Try and get all the purple over on this side and then apply the green. I'm trying to do as much as I can so that it's darker. I was actually hoping this purple would be a little bit darker. I'm going to use this brush here. It's kind of thin, more for thin. And I'm going to use this green right here.
There is a part of me that would love to reach out to Yolanda. Unfortunately, I fucked that up. When my nurse wrote me the definition.
At the top for like up here, I like to use my highlight, and I use these two up here because they're really this is e.l.f. also Target, and obviously the kind of brush I use is one of these really thin ones. I don't know what it's freaking called. I like to just and then do the same thing to the other eye.
But this year I think he wants something quieter. Just be the two of us.
What is this? Hey!
I'm doing that. I like to use this brush right here to kind of blend this part right up here so that it doesn't look too harsh of a crease. So I just go like this, kind of move it all around, blend it out, because when I'm done, and then when I'm done with that, I can cover up all the excess that I have out here on the sides.
Them struggle first, but the challenge is trying to find something that he can afford.
He pays rent on the apartment now, so
I got this brush at Target though. I love it. It's a lifesaver.
I've seen Max
It's really, really good for blending.
His electricity bill, so they have to take cold showers and light a candle.
I didn't have electricity for 3 months.
Yeah, I don't care.
So I'm just gonna grab a little bit more purple, put more purple on there, and then repeat that process. With the green and the purple. Most of my ideas come from Pinterest. I like to go over it a couple of times just so vibrant. I don't know if that's the correct word, but whatever. I like it to be bright and noticeable. So just blend it out this way, like that. Blend it out. It looks crazy, but I promise it'll be worth it in the end.
What's the worst thing that could happen?
So I'm using these eyelashes. First time ever using them. I got them from Amazon. Lash glue. I actually use eyeliner and put it like on top, like right under here.
Okay for everybody else.
Right. You do feel
And I just kind of like go up and like close it down just a little bit like that across my eyelash so it's stuck there. The tip of this and just go down like that and push it down a little bit towards my eyelash.
fashionable, stylish, a little over the top. I'm always gonna give you that.
And then go in and
Something
just
to look at. That's just who I am.
with my eyebrows, so if that's what you do, I mean, I don't know when that's part of your routine, but I don't do anything with my eyebrows, so. I mean, the only thing I do is just use this brush to brush out all the shit that's in my eyebrows.
Oh, let it go.
Now, next is my contour stick, light medium, right here, right where my cheekbone ends, so like this. Just like that I will. You get my double chin and just so just go like that and then do it behind. And this is kind of where I do it. So like that and do it across, down like that. A little bit on my nose, up here, like that, to blend. And I do it before. Some people do it after. I just don't like harsh contour lines. Looks like I'm done with that. Oh.
What's that? It's supposed to go through July, but they're saying now because of how everything is, it may be, yeah. Count is, well, I mean, we have nowhere to spend it, but I mean, we could not pay mortgage ever again. Why?
Because she's considered a self-employed person.
Matte for lips
The other, and I'm like,
fit me.
hello? Other
Use
people
this
have
kind of
their
blender,
paychecks, why don't
Target,
we?
Because it seems like
to get like
so Michelle,
like
yeah, I wanna go
precise,
out
so I
to
can
that
get the
fucking
corners that I
Costco
miss and like the hard
I want
spots,
to take a
like
trip out
up
there.
here in this area and in this area. Brush, and I'm gonna use the powder and go over all my contour.
I literally could not stomach the show. I
It's
couldn't.
great here.
I couldn't watch it because it was just, he's such the antithesis of what gay men are.
Eyeshadow to make it look not so.
And it was like they were using him as much as he was using
So I'm
them.
gonna take care of those harsh lines that I have.
Weird setup.
Yeah.
He's young. He's pretty young.
And I like to use my finger because it's usually the best tool. I don't know. It works for me.
It makes me think that they're in it for the money.
No, I couldn't. I seriously couldn't. I tried.
Get rid of
And
those
even
harsh
after the first
lines.
episode, I was like, no, you're just, you
Brush,
know.
brush, brush.
He was so
Powder, highlights, same palette.
So then he pays somebody that finally agrees to kill her for him, and the guy just took his money and ran away.
Kind of like
Yeah.
clean it up.
Show and it's like, yeah, I
That's
just took
kind of what it does. Is
Because
my
what's
smaller
nice-
highlighting brush, got that also from Target, and I go into my gold highlight.
clips in it or
And he's
something
like,
like
I
that.
don't point the gun at me. He's like, it's a Ruger, so if there's no clip in it,
There's
he's
no
like,
clip
look,
in
And
it.
then he
why?
put it to his head
He
and
just
pulled the
fucking
trigger.
immediately shot himself.
And the
It
guy-
happened that fast.
The guy sitting in the chair like,
For the
I mean,
longest
I had
time, a clip in
This
it,
one
and then
and
he
this
doesn't
one.
fucking shoot.
This one is rose gold, Target.
me that he's getting remarried, then
I'm just gonna
everybody
say I
else
get all my makeup from Target. Use this brush right here
What's funny
and
is
use the
that
rose
Jeff-
gold and do that again.
isn't that Jeff guy,
Take this brush right here and I'm going to put just a little bit of pink right here on the top of my line, under my eye. I'm going to use this pink right here. And that's what the pink looks like when I'm done. Textural freckles on my face. So like that one right there, this one next to my mouth, and then there's one right here. You can barely see it. And I bring those out because they are there. That brings those out a little bit. And I use this bronzer that I got from Target. It's a little bit darker, but I do that on purpose because I have a lighter complexion and my makeup is a lighter complexion, and I don't want to look too like white. So I do it like this, and then I put it on my neck so that my neck doesn't look darker than my face, because I think that shit's ugly as fuck when girls do that. Brush again. I use this over. It's my finishing powder. I get my big fluffy brush and just blend everything. Then I'm gonna put some mascara on my under eye so that it's not just eyeshadow at the bottom. Matte ink. I only like matte lipstick. I don't like shiny. I use a matte finishing powder and put it on my lipstick to matte it. And you can matte anything. Go like that on my lips to push it down. This is already matte, so you don't have to do that with this. You just have to let the lipstick dry and it'll be matte. But I wanted to show you.
Because
And
Michelle's going
last
through
but
the
not
same
least,
thing.
finishing spray.
Not quite as bad as
And just use my sponge to dry that. And that is the finished look.